Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm J.C. Jensen. This is the start of a new series, how to finish a cherry dresser. So in a previous series, how to build a classic dresser, I went through a painstaking process of hand planing and hand cutting all the dovetails and getting the perfect fit on the drawers, la-da-da-da-da-da-da. Well, I had a few mistakes along the way. CNC machine kind of let me down, and the alignment was off on a couple of drawers, and I didn't catch it until after I had already assembled the drawers and fit them. But I've since caught it, and I had to remake them. Consequently, the wood that I used, or that I'm left with, coloration doesn't match. So I've got some variations between my pieces. And I don't want to just use a clear finish and leave it that way. I want it to all at least blend together to look the same color. All right, so in doing a little homework, I came across a gentleman named Tom McLaughlin from Epic Woodworking. And he has done he did a great presentation on how to achieve that. Now, in this series, I'm going to cover all the preparation. Initially, I had intended to, assemblies complete, to actually disassemble this cabinet and then hand plane the top, hand plane the sides, before I moved into the finish. Well, since I'm having to now stain that changes that whole plan. I don't need to disassemble it because I'm going to sand it. I'm going to prepare all of the surfaces for stain with down to 220 sandpaper. I don't have a whole lot of work to do, but I want it to all have the same texture. So we'll sand it out at 220. I'm going to raise the grain, sand it again, and then we'll get into mixing and applying the stain and then the final finish. So stay tuned. I'll show you how I work through this process, and we'll hope it turns out wonderful. Thanks. We'll see you down the road.